I think the majority of people have at least one thing that they want to change. They have even tried in the past and actually have seen some success, but then they falter back to the beginning. Has that ever happened to you? I know it has to me. So is there a secret sauce to creating long-lasting change? Hi, I'm Pedro Hernandez and welcome to the MindFlex Minute. If this is your first time watching the MindFlex Minute, welcome. And make sure to check out our other videos that include workouts, recipes, and more. Now, the goal of the MindFlex Minute is to help you increase your awareness and your mindset conditioning in order for you to achieve any goal that you may have in mind. So, what is the secret sauce? So, self-imposed change can happen in two ways. Now, the first way is to be personally impacted by a life circumstance. This is the equivalent of getting woken up in the middle of the night by getting a bucket of water dumped on your face by life. A real life example would be losing your home to a wildfire or maybe a hurricane. Then that may prompt you to be more involved in reducing carbon emissions. Or maybe it's having a heart attack or a different health scare, which may then prompt you to change the way you eat, the way you drink, or maybe just give you a different perspective on the things that are important to you. Or maybe even being personally impacted by gun violence, which may prompt you to become a leader in trying to restructure gun control and gun policies. Basically, all these are oh shit moments that wake you up and rattle you. Now, this is a harsh way to make a change. Now, the second way to change is through repetition. Repetition not in the sense of doing a 21 or 28 day program and then life is going to change drastically. No, this is a systematic way of repetition that is geared towards rewriting your old programs or your old paradigms. Merely repeating something over and over without actually increasing our level of awareness will only bring us temporary change. So the key is to understand how we process information and then how to take that information and translate it into tangible results that will then be turned into long-lasting change. In 1934, Dr. Thurman Fleet created the stick figure. Now, studying the stick figure really was a pivotal point in my life that helped me realize why I wasn't getting long-lasting changes, but more importantly, it helped me realize how to get those long-lasting changes. And it's a very simple illustration of the conscious mind, the subconscious mind, or the superconscious mind, and the body. So let's break those down so that when we are ready to do a systematic repetition of things, we can actually succeed in creating long-lasting change. So for today, all I want you to do is think of one thing that you want to change. And this one thing you probably have already tried in the past and have actually seen success with it, but then you go back. What is that one thing? Is it losing weight? Is it maybe working out more on a consistent basis? Is it sticking to something else or maybe finishing a degree? What is that one thing? Then tomorrow we can dive into the first part of that stick figure so we can better understand how to process the information that we have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.